What is indefinite integral of x divided by cube root of x by dx? Usually, we have some additional info about function f of x. In our case, f of x belongs to real numbers and is integrable in that domain. From symbol dx, we know that differential of variable x indicates that the variable of integration is x. Let's rewrite integrand, function inside the integral. We may apply formula which says nth root of s equals s raised to 1 divided by n. In our case, s is x and n is 3, and we have in denominator x raised to 1/3. We may write down x in the numerator as x raised to 1, knowing that s raised to 1 equals s. Now, we may take advantage of the formula s raised to n divided by s raised to m equals s raised to n minus m. And we can subtract our powers in main solution. We have x raised to 1 minus 1/3. So we have 1 minus 1/3, and we may write 1 as 3/3 and have common denominator 3. Then we have 3 minus 1 in numerator and 3 in denominator. In result, we get 2/3. When we apply our side notes to the main solution, in result we get x raised to 2/3 under our integral. Now, we've modified our integrand to make use of formula for solving integral of s raised to n, which is s raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. We also have to add constant c to make sure that we have all our solution taken into account, as our solution make whole class of function, not a single one. And now, in our case, s is equal to x and n is 2/3. We get x raised to 2/3 plus 1 divided by 2/3 plus 1 and plus constant c. We may now add 2/3 to 1, and if we change 1 into 3/3, we get 5/3. So we have x raised to 5/3 divided by 5/3 plus constant c. We can smooth it a little, taking advantage of formula which says that s divided by a divided by b equals b divided by a multiplied by s. In our case, s is equal to x raised to 5/3, a is 5, b is 3. We can rewrite also x raised to 5/3. We may write 5/3 in power as 2/3 and 3/3. In that way, we may write it down as x raised to 2/3 multiplied by x raised to 1. X raised to 2/3 is, in other words, cube root of x squared, and x raised to 1 may be written down as x. In that way, we have result of our integration as 3/5 multiplied by x, cube root of x squared plus constant c. Finally, we know that indefinite integral of x divided by cube root of x by dx is equal to 3/5 multiplied by x, cube root of x squared plus constant c. If you have any questions, just write them down in comments section below. If you want to see more our videos, don't forget to subscribe.